Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, Juridas founder, a Law Academy on Artificial Intelligence for lawyers and legal teams of lawyers. We teach them the legal foundations of artificial intelligence, of AI. So properly, we teach the foundations of law in relation to the elements, the consequences, the effects, the particularities, the facts of artificial intelligence. And today I'm going to explain why it's not about a hierarchy between norms. And to start, it's important to recognize, to understand that a norm, it's only something that is related to what is defined in the law. It's something that is related to the way to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist, because it's only a part of the legal must be, is only a part of the law understood as a whole, if it's something that is related to the way of existence of the enjoyment of rights and duties. So something that tries to be a norm but is against with respect to the way to enjoy a right and or to fulfill a duty is not a norm. So there are no, and properly, there are no legal norms and non-legal norms. There are just norms, and norms are just binding. They just have binding effects due to the fact that are part of the way to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist. And properly, because are something related with the way to make the good to exist, to the way to make the well-being to exist. So that's why the norms are something related to the good, related to the law, related to the well-being. And that's why, for example, it's important to know how the norms apply in relation to AI, tailored to the extent of the facts of each legal relationship related to an AI product, to an artificial intelligence object related to artificial intelligence, to know how to comply with the law in that situation and let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist in relation to the way of existence of artificial intelligence. That is to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist face to AI, face to artificial intelligence. And it's important to clarify that a legal relationship is any environment that is related to what is defined in the law, because it's any environment in which there must exist the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. And because it's an environment related to what is defined in the law, it's a environment that is related to the law, in which there must exist the compliance with the law, some way to comply with the law. So that's why each human being existing in each legal relationship must comply with the law with respect to the legal capability, to the legal condition, to the legal profile of each human being regarding the way of existence of the respective relationship, of the respective legal relationship that is existing face to the way of existence of each human being. So properly, it's not about complying with the law. That is not about that each human being must comply with the law directly. It's about that the compliance with the law must exist in relation to the way in which each human being exists in each legal relationship. So it's about the attention to the legal capability tailored to the extent of each human being, because sometimes a human being, and in general a person, a natural person, a physical person, or a legal entity, a moral person, cannot comply with the law directly because he is non-capable to do it. It does not has the capability, the legal capability to comply with the law in a specific case, talking about referring to a legal entity, or in general, when a human being does not has the capability to comply with the law in some case. And in that situation, the legal representative, the legally valid representative of that person must comply with the law in the name of that person. So what is properly the legal must be is that there must exist the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties with respect to the way in which each person exists in each legal relationship. So regarding AI, regarding artificial intelligence, there must exist the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties with respect to each human being that is existing in each legal relationship that involves an AI product, because that's the way to make sure that there is a legally valid artificial intelligence, that there is a good artificial intelligence, that there is an artificial intelligence that is making the good, that is making well-being, that permits the good, that permits the well-being, because exists in a way that coincides with what is defined in the law. So the legally valid AI is the one that lets the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist with respect to the way in which the respective AI exists in the facts of the respective legal relationship. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.jurita.co to know what we do. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Take care.